shit. Stuck, Claud.
Oh, the backside.
I have the goggles. Alright, Claud, the fucking business.
Money bomb.
Bomber.
Real rich.
Now that's rich. Alright. What go on YouTube? So this I'm my first recording. My first video. First everything. First time I use the GoPro. First time I do the magnet fishing. Literally.
With the one spot on Port Royal Road.
I don't even know if the audio record.
Hopefully audio record.
Yeah. Cause first time I use everything. I don't even do no test run or nothing. so I'm there, so I want spot.
I want to try. We have two spots I want to try. This is the first one. Next one is gonna be
downtown waterfront. I decided to try that one first because I know nobody not gonna read it there, so
look nice. But Claud, nothing there saying water, so.
So come check it out. These are the Brute Magnetics.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm gonna see what I go on far away, so let me get my bucket. I do not fishing. We do fishing, but not fishing. We are fish for magnet, for iron, and what else? Anything we can stick to magnet, basically.
Yeah.
So I have I get gloves with it. I just buy a set and get a gloves with it. A pair of gloves with it. Same brand. One bucket I'm fine. If I put anything at all we can fit in it or anything I want in it. And this now, so I would stay. Come with a rope, as I can see it, not pull it. Nothing I use it, literally nothing. I even do not test one and a practice one, just everything at the pan camera from start to finish. Alright, that's all. This is one thread locker. Basically lube.
Mud. And then the main thing I know.
Then the heavy piece of magnet. This is one 300 pound magnet. A 300?
I don't know any better about
300
heavy.
yes, sir, but I want heavy bomber magnet this can pick up anything at all. Hope I get it stuck on nothing. Yeah. So
yeah.
That there, so I'm gonna clip it on now.
Alright, from this way you're free now.
Yeah. So
yo,
it's heavy now, dog.
Oh god.
Alright.
Alright, mud.
Lock it back.
Remember when normally the rappelling in the carry to this one.
So for those who don't know and would like to know, this is a magnet and I'm gonna throw the magnet in the water. Magnet go in water, magnet pull up whatever stick to it. So that's how I do basically. I can find gun, I can find bomb, I can find knife, I can find phone, money, anything at all with magneted. I have magneted compounds. So that's how the aim for today. Hopefully I can find a gun.
Yeah, man, I do nothing science class.
Hopefully I can find a gun or a knife or something interesting. Yo, it's hot. Yo,
hot?
Yeah. I feel it.
Bomb!
Son, warm it up, man.
Yeah.
These are the superpowers.
Yeah.
These are my magic. I can't put it.
Hey. Alright, ready?
Alright, the roots wine. I'm pop it now. Mad.
Mad.
Smell nice.
Run through.
Bad. Yeah, watch that.
What? Yo, I even feel pitch for man this all again.
Take one more drink.
Yeah. They say that one name broke up bed, tear up jars, rip up shit, everything. They say you feel the power. Dun 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 dun.
Feel the power now.
Bomba. Woo.
Right.
Yeah, so you can see it going now.
What in a meat it?
You know meet it?
No.
Rotted.
Alright. I forgot one more time.
Yeah.
So like I say, I have just get seaweed. I don't want that.
You don't want that.
I don't want that. Let me get something else.
What that?
Oh, one shell.
Of it.
Yeah.
You see it?
I'm sure over this. So.
Yeah. Yeah.
Feel strong effort.
I'm gonna take my grab.
I think that's a dragging at the ground.
You see it?
Buck on something.
I'm not even carrying nothing from there, so Jaja.
No, sir. What is not nothing at all? Nothing. Alright, so I'm gonna find a nail. First find of the day. Yeah.
So, I don't know where that fridge thing they come from. All of a sudden, we see it just come from over there, so come right there, so. That one there was easy catch, so we not go for that.
Bullseye. Bullseye. Take one.
Mad.
Did I bring it?
Yeah.
Alright, mad thing. Alright, don't make it touch the banking. Because enough iron the point that stick to it.
Yeah.
It let go. Oh yeah, it have it same way. Whoa.
Heavy though.
Go for it. One more man catch piece of zinc.
Yeah.
Alright, see that?
Claud.
Yeah, put in a bucket now. I'll look if you have nothing more on it.
Yes, sir. Oh!
Yeah. Piece of zinc.
Yeah.
Not going bad. The fridge is all over, so I'm going to take out the fridge.
Yeah.
So I can throw again and try to get something else.
Yeah, I'm going to see what else.
Come on, get stuff so.
Really not moving now.
If I pull the whole air strength, yeah?
I'm gonna get none of the roots, you know.
Can move?
Yeah, come on.
Alright, good. Wait, let me see something, you know?
You see something though?
Yeah.
This now.
You have to roll it out if you come.
Bombasta! What that? How this are there, sir?
And find a fan blade.
How really can dash them fan right, sir? Mad.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Piece of fan blade. That's what I'm going to feed. Yeah.
How much you resell this for?
I don't know if I do a bargain.
50 grand.
Yeah. Nothing less. You have nothing on that? I miss. I want an apple lamp on it.
Oh gosh.
Can't believe it's time.
I mean the rope, the over, so you think?
I try to read it again.
Yeah, angle it. Wow, alright. Alright. Ah, shit. Jano youth. How the backside? Nah man, that's a load. Alright, so right now We are relocating because we think we underestimate this area. Am I say that right? We underestimate this area. We thought it had wholly more metal stuff in the water. Unfortunately, that was not the case. So now we are relocating. Alright, it's on.
Yeah. So, as Claud said, we are going to a different location. Because the one that's nice, but it now pull up nothing than seaweed and a few things. But we have more things to show now. So we are relocate going to somewhere different. Over there, so that's nice to do it to the Claud.
Yeah, but they amazed me, but they said to you. See, I try around the regular spot where them do the fishing.
No, I'm afraid for use it because the thing.
You don't want it itch up on a stone.
Yeah, because I don't want to lose that magnet there. Alright, so new location. What is this so? Alright, so this is the new location now. Downtown Kingston. Nobody not too out there still, which is good. But I expect no people for out there. Maybe through the sun hot, because people Jamaicans don't like come out in the sun unless some kind of event or something reason for come out in the sun. I think we might use this. Tie I'm gonna tie the rope this up and throw it out. Throw my magnet. Where's the Claud? I can't find things on your side though. Eh? Water is so shallow.
Water is so shallow, man.
Yeah. Anchor the magnet first. Yeah. All right. I can feel like I can pick up things. Alright. I have something, you know. I have something.
We have one. Hey!
Alright, so find a spark plug with them use fishing for sinker. Them use it as a sinker. So put it in a bucket.
Yeah.
And yes, so now I just bag of stone and rocks. You can pay somebody go feed.
See that brother this? A swim back.
Yeah. Bomba stick on something else. Not stuck in, I can feel it magnet or something. But it now move, so I have to just pull it out. Find one more spark plug.
Yeah.
Fishing low again, so may I get this out of the water.
One more spark plug, yeah. Man, find nail.
Find nail, screw this, unscrew, and one more screw. Get them out of the water, because we don't want it in the water. And brush off that. That's it, not gonna wear this time.
Shoot more out like you shoot so last time, so try soil.
Alright.
Yeah.
On there, sir. I like the water clear still, I'm there right there. Something purple.
Alright,
no, something orange, not purple.
Alright, I can see.
Back
red.
Dragon, a long time this something. Oh.
Dragon stout.
So one more screw.
What is?
One more screw. And nothing on the side there.
Yeah.
How many?
Yeah man, the roots are kicking now.
Yeah, the roots are kicking now.
Can you throw the whole full length of the rope? Alright, I can see where you get now.
Yeah man, some stone out of some man.
Oh yeah, I feel
if I'm a stone,
yeah.
look at me. If I'm a stone, then some iron thing. But something, you feel it strong.
I feel a little bit of resistance.
Shit. Stuck, Claud.
How the backside? Come in, man, Vogue. Use some of the roots power. Stuck.
Whatever, it depends on it in the ground. So somebody have to pull it the next direction.
Shit.
Oh God.
Yeah, man.
Stop, man.
That's fully firm, brother. Oh,
Right, so I try to find somebody who are going in the water and get them for go fish for it.
yeah. Best part is that it. Look on the rope, so
Yeah, and it there right there, so.
yeah, let me do this.
Yeah, and the water clear too. So. Yeah? That's enough. Can I go on this?
Yes, they go that they will let us say the hill.
Oh. Eh?
Where you get them look at the line?
I know, say, I said, I keep my bike, I just come with it.
Yeah.
The magnet and the rope. Yeah, so I get him to get it out of the water. So you just follow the rope. Oh, you know for the still. I have the goggles.
Man.
Alright. That's what I'm saying, not that deep, in there, right? That's all.
Yeah. Cover him, though.
Yeah.
Hey, where am I putting it? Quick. Where am I putting it? Where am I putting it?
You're not no knife out there, one look at this and steel.
I wait each one.
Have knife?
That's all.
Hmm? Because I'm cut the rope.
Yeah, I cut the rope.
No.
Alright, good.
Yeah.
I don't see it. You don't have no other?
Hmm?
You don't have no... I can get that steel in it.
So go on, man, use that piece of steel there.
I use it for... You say that machine something? So I use it and bucket.
Okay.
Save me the other stuff. So I mount it in your body and show you can go in the water with it. Bro.
Yeah.
Should have a shot wide.
You can make him carry with him, sir, you know?
No man, no.
Or the floaty one with the
Yeah. I can see. Alright, first I come out. So me I wonder why you know pull it the next way and come out. Do you think that could work?
You must say, you know, say, you know, see, you know.
Yeah, that one. Alright.
That looks like about 8 feet.
I told oh yeah, about 8 feet. Alright, look like mixed up you know.
You must have said blood, so
Yeah.
I'm not heavy.
Alright, Claud, the fucking business. The fucking business, Claud. Now throw it back over this again.
We're fine.
Just a nail, an LT nail. Who the hell
Yeah,
use this as
nail.
a fishing lure? Not lure. Who the hell use this as a sinker? Alright, so back in business, Claud.
Yeah.
Respect me, man. Do my thing.
Yeah, you have to pay the money, dog.
Everything in that wallet, me I give him. Open enough money in it. Well, not enough money. Open enough. You know what I mean? You know what I mean?
Oh, see how much money in that wallet. Where is your wallet? Where wallet there?
Yeah. Alright. Follow that, son. That, oh, you find that? Oh.
Bite down the bottom part, they carry it.
If I forget a thing, you know. This one having a more. It's a 650. This good? Respect, you know. Respect, you know. Much respect.
Yeah, man, yeah.
Alright.
Yeah. Can I respect that the same?
No, I'm going to put this back in here. I'm going to make sure I don't happen to this. So I'm so come. You can stop it.
Yeah.
We're back in business. So we're back in business. We pay somebody for take it out of the water ferry and we're good to go again. Yeah, good to go. So I'm not going to show outward. I just show. Watch, look, okay. I'm not going to show it outward. I'm going to show it along the line. So if it's stuck again, you can pull in easy. Yeah, I can have something.
That's nothing. What are them things there? Have something, man.
Alright.
Alright.
Goal is fine. Yo! What that? I'm find a chain. Piece of metal stone. I'm find a chain necklace. It might be gold. So, see it?
Yeah.
So maybe can sell this and make back some money. I find more money. So this I want $5.
$5. Right. Wait, this?
Yeah.
Yeah, $5.
Yeah.
I want some things from it.
Find a $5. And this I want
one nail clip.
One nail clip.
Wow. Wow. I feel cranny, dog. Oh, yeah,
and a $1. Show them a bucket.
What else? It's fine. Something about on the other side.
Oh yeah, the chain.
The chain. Ah.
Chain.
What else?
We can go to the gold shop. Gold. Wait, them shop for gold. Cash for gold.
Cash for gold.
Can go to the cash for gold and make some money from that.
Yeah.
Show them a bucket.
No, right. Pull it slow now in case something upon it.
How is that going? Oh.
Hold it out. Put the iron out and hold it out. And magnet there. So.
What did it? No, I'm gonna get something now. I'm gonna get nothing, man.
There's fishing line upon it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
At least I get something.
I want them is a sinker. A piece of stone.
When them borrow will let. Yeah, see, okay.
What are you doing? Now do a YouTube video now. What are you on the camera for? What natural line?
So we get something, yeah?
Piece of hook.
Yeah.
See line, yeah?
Look.
You know it's not a name yet. This is the first video. What now for me to know? It's the first video I do. I'm not choose a name yet. Oh, that's a good. Alright, that good. Pull it in now.
No, let's get out. You still get it.
I'm not going to pull it, man. Look like something there. Something. You don't get nothing, star. Nothing.
No, do this. Yo, mind it. Okay, no, do this. I'm flicking. What there? Oh, better. Yeah.
Alright. Pull up our knife.
Alright, go.
Alright, so find this off camera. Barber scissors. You know the bucket. And
$1.
a $1.
Yeah.
So now, oh, find more.
Oh, we're fine, man.
Yeah. We have one more $1.
$1.
And one more $1. I'll be money we find. By the time we're done, rich.
Real rich.
Yeah.
So we'll find so far. Apart from the cake tea thing. But yeah.
Bomba!
Real rich!
No, that's rich.
That's rich.
Be all money too.
Yeah.
Watch it. Oh,
that's rich.
So on $20.
$20?
No, not $20
no,
this.
$20.
$1 this or something.
Yeah, I sent that.
Different color.
No,
watch
man.
it.
I'll be your own money.
I'll be your money, that's what you say, dog. You have to make it get a throw, yes, sir. You have to drag it, yes, sir. Watch it.
You find out hook.
Yeah. And screw. Yeah, I think so. More money. I have to keep the money in them and put them.
I think Claud. Yo! Bomba! A money that I see already? Bomba!
Talk to me, youth. Talk to me.
I want to.
Go. Alright, so this is all of the treasure what I find. Take a look. We find enough money, as you can see. Money all over the place. So that's a wrap. I'm not tired, but I need to go do something else. The battery are dead and Claud said one guy me out, so that's a wrap.
Yeah, we keep some of yours. So yeah, just make sure you subscribe, you me? If this is something you want into, just make sure so you want to do the right thing. Yo, I'm not like on Facebook on this guy.